Hello students, welcome to this session of matrices. Now I am going to explain the problem in exercise 3.2. This exercise is based on addition, subtraction and multiplication of matrices. First question, let capital A equal to 2, 4, 3, 2, B equal to 1, 3, minus 2, 5 and C is equal to minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Find A plus B, A minus B and 3A minus C. All the matrices are 2 cross 2 matrices. First we have to add or subtract the matrices, check the order of the matrices. When the order of the matrices are equal, we have to add or subtract the matrices. The first matrix A plus B 1. A value is 2, 4, 3, 2 plus B value 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Order of the matrix 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. So we have to add the values. First A11 and A11 value we have to add. So 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 plus 5, 7. So A plus B value 3, 7, 1, 7. Next A minus B. Same A value 2, 4, 3, 2. What is our B value? 1, 3, minus 2, 5. A minus B. Same procedure, we have to subtract the A11 value to A11 value. So 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus of minus 2, 5. 2 minus 5, minus 3. So A minus B value 1, 1, 5, minus 3. The next one 3A minus C. First we are going to multiply the A matrix with 3, then subtract with C. So what is our A matrix value? 2, 4, 3, 2 minus C value minus 2, 5, 3, 4. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 2, 6. Minus, what is the C value? Minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Now subtract the matrices. 6 minus of minus 12. Minus to minus plus. So 6 plus 2 value 8. 12 minus 5. What is the answer? That is 7. Next one 9 minus 3. The answer is 6. 6 minus 4. The answer is 2. So 3A minus C value 8, 7, 6, 2. That's all. Next I am going to explain product of the matrices. Simplify cos theta of cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta of sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Now we are going to multiply the matrix with cos theta. So cos into cos, cos square theta. Cos into sin, cos theta sin theta. Cos into minus sin, minus cos theta sin theta. Next cos into cos, cos square theta. This is our first matrix. Next sin into sin, sin square theta. Sin into minus cos, minus sin theta cos theta. Sin into cos, again sin theta cos theta. Sin into sin, sin square theta. Now the matrix 2 cross 2. So we have to add the values directly. So A11 plus A11. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Next we have to add the A12 value and A12 value. What is the value? Cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Next one A21 value minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. Minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is actually trigonometric first identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. Plus cos sin minus sin cos cancel. So the answer is 0. Same minus cos sin plus sin cos theta. So the answer is 0. Cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1. So this is unit matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Next compute the indicated products. Actually, first in product of the two matrices, first look at the order of the matrix. The first matrix order is 2 cross 2. The second matrix 2 rows and 3 columns. So the order of the matrix 2 cross 3. Addition and subtraction of matrices, we just look at the matrix orders are equal, we have to add or subtract. But multiplication, the first matrix column and the second matrix row equal, then only we have to product of the matrix is defined. Now 2 cancel, so our answer is actually 2 cross 3 matrix. Okay, first we are going to multiply the matrix 1 minus 2, 2, 3. The second matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Multiply the matrix, first you have to choose the first row and first column. So that is 1 minus 2 into 1, 2. Okay. Next first row, second column. That is 1 minus 2, column is 2, 3. Next first row, third column. So 1 minus 2, what is our third column? 3, 1. Next choose the second row, first column. So 2, 3. What is our first column? 1, 2. Next second row, second column. So 2, 3. The second column is 2, 3. Second row, third column. So 2, 3. The third column is 3, 1. Now directly multiply the matrices. First value. So first we have to multiply the first value A11 and A11, then add the second value. So 1 into 1, 1. Give a positive symbol, then minus 2 into plus 2, that is minus 4. That is our first value. Next 1 into 2, 2. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Next 1 into 3, 3. Plus of minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Next 2 into 1, 2. Plus 3 into 2, 6. Next 2 into 2, 4. Plus 3 into 3, 9. Next 2 into 3, 6. Plus 3 into 1, 3. How can I multiply the matrices? Actually, first we have to choose the first row, first column value. We have to multiply the first value A11 into A11. Then write the value. Put a positive symbol. Then we have to select the next value. A12 into A21. Multiply the values. Now add the values. 1 minus 4. What is the answer? Minus 3. 2 minus 6. What is the answer? Minus 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 9, 13. 6 plus 3, 9. This is the answer. What is the order of the matrix? Here 2 rows, 3 columns. The order of the matrix is 2 cross 3. This is our answer. Okay. Next. Find x and y if x plus y is equal to 7025 and x minus y is equal to 3003. This is actually equation format. This is a linear equation only. So we have to use elimination method and find out the values. The first value x plus y is equal to 7025. This is our first equation. Next, x minus y is equal to 3003. This is second equation. Now using elimination method, we have to cancel the values. Actually plus y minus y cancel. 1x plus 1x, 2x. Now order of the matrix 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2. So directly we have to add the values. So 7 plus 3, 10. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 3, 8. This is our 2x value. But we need our x value only. So x is equal to 1 by 2 of 10, 0, 2, 8. Now multiply the 1 by 2 with A11, A12, A21 and A22. So what is the answer? 10 by 2, 5. 0 by 2, 0. 2 by 2, 1. 8 by 2, 4. This is our x value. Now we need a y value. So substitute x value in any one of the equation. Substitute x value in first equation. So what is our first equation? X plus y is equal to 7025. Substitute x value. What is our x value? 5014 plus y is equal to 7025. Now interchange the matrices to RHS. So RHS already the matrix value 7025. Now the value 5014 also move to RHS. So 5014. Directly subtract the two matrices. What is the answer? 7 minus 5, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. So the answer is 2011. This is our y value. Therefore, x is equal to 5014, y is equal to 2011. This is our x and y value. That's all.